pick it up. I just pick it up. I just pick it up. It's here. It's here, guys. Let's unbox. Hello, my fabulous friends. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Daily Lost Vibe. How you guys doing today? We have another luxury unboxing. To all my return subscribers, thank you. And if today is your first time clicking on my channel, saying hi, visiting, hearing my beautiful voice for the very first time, you are also welcome. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Please, before we start this unboxing, let's listen to this music and grab some snacks. Grab any juice of your choice and let's do this unboxing. Shall we? Can this be? Y'all see it? I'm seeing it. Can this big old bag, as you guys can see it, big old. Look at my fabulous friends, like this one. Do you know what this is? This is giving me boss lady. Yes, guys, I got to do it. I'm sorry. This is giving me the boss lady. If you guys smell this, this smells so good. The leather, it's so cute. The name of this bag is MC Hand Diamond Vegetables Top and Bag. I'm gonna put the name on top so y'all can know what I'm talking about. This is the bag. I just received it. This is so cute. It has this gold hardware. Let's just take a moment. This is the medium size. When I said the medium size, this is medium. If you go for the large, anytime you go out, your bag gonna need another seat that you wanna put your bag on. So this medium is very reasonable. It's big enough, trust me. It's top handle and it got this zipper, by the way. Hey yo, it's top handle, but you still can do a shoulder bag. I don't know who's gonna do a shoulder bag with this big old bag, but top handle, it's fancy. It's calling Boss Lady. This is 100% leather. It is canvas, 100% leather. Trust me, you can go wrong with this bag. It is so big. Inside it's so big. Inside of it, it's so big. As you guys can see, the tag as well. I didn't take out the tag yet. What am I thinking? Because I only take out my tags anytime I'm ready to actually use them. When I'm actually ready to use them, that's when I take off my bags. The tags. This is so good. This is made in South Korea. Can y'all believe it? It is from South Korea. But the leather, I can smell. It smells so good. But I said so good, it smells so good. This is on sales. I grabbed this on sales, by the way. If you put it on Google, just type in MC Hand top handle bags, different prices gonna pop up. Yeah, well, me, I got this as a steal. When I said I got this as a steal, this is such a steal. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This bag right here, I saw this online. I think I saw this one of the influencer, right? She got the big bag, and she actually won, like, the big bag is big. But yo, when I saw the big bag, the large size, it is big. But this one is reasonable. Can still fit in your iPad. You know what I mean? Can still fit your laptop. It's like size 12 thereabout. It can fit in, and do not forget what I said. It can, it is long, what's it called? They are long shoulder strap that you can use it as a shoulder bag. But personally, as a boss, I don't know, I like it being top handle. You know, easy for me. I might try the shoulder, but this is what I just like it. Let me give you all the measurement. Okay, fabulous friends, this 3 by 15.7 and by 11.0 inches. Yes guys, and this top end is the drop, it's like 2 inches. Yes guys, just like a reference, this has this detachable leather strap that you can take on and off. This is leather handles, the leather handles, and it has this zip, as you guys can see it, the zip that you can zip it in and zip it all out. This guy is 24, and they say, I'm reading this on their website by the way, this and this, right, is 24 karat gold plated brass hardware. Yo, you cannot go wrong with this. And inside, right inside, if you guys can see inside of it, the inside is microfiber lining with suede finish. It feels so soft inside actually. It's super soft. And also do not forget, it came in this big old giant MC hand dust bag just for you to store the what's it called, the bag inside. And they say, you know, advise the given days when you want to take care of it, do not wash it with a soap, which is, that's common sense, right? But yo, that's all I got for you on this fabulous unboxing. This is another luxury unboxing. This is my first time getting MCN. Did I just say MCN? MCN, by the way, and I'm loving it. I love it. It's not that big. I'm just gonna advise you, go for this medium size. It's big enough. Catch up with you guys later. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Bye for now.